On this video, you will be introduced to a modern and healthier type of swimmer. Continue watching if you wish to become one.
The majority of swimmers used to be very young, not very athletic outside the pool, and good at only one thing, swimming.
Take your mark.
Because of this, many swimmers got injured or bored and left the sport of swimming. Olympians and competitive swimmers retired from the sport at a very young age, and swimming was considered something that very young people did. But for the past 20 years, all of that has changed. This birth of a new type of swimmer is being fueled by a combination of several things. A better scientific understanding of how the body and the mind work, the introduction of masters swimming in more countries, increasing number of triathletes, CrossFit athletes that want to be good at everything, including swimming, YouTube tutorials, and more recently, the pandemic that forced swimmers to look at what they could improve outside of the pool. I'm not even talking about the pro Olympic level swimmers. I'm talking about what the best coaches and athletes of every swimming level are doing. The local kids of your city that just started competing, to the masters that do it recreationally and even competitively at a national or international level. This new breed of swimmers, no matter their age, are athletic, strong, mobile, resilient, and very importantly, they actually enjoy swimming. If you've been following us for a while, you probably have some of those skills already. But now, we're taking our community to the next level. Instead of just giving you generic swimming advice, we'll give you more specific, measurable, and community-driven guidance. Let me say that one more time, because this is important if you want to improve your swimming and enjoy all its benefits. Specific, measurable, and community-driven guidance. Specific because we studied the 7 skills that are necessary to become this new type of swimmer. And then we divided those 7 skills into 29 sub-skills that make it even more specific. Measurable because if you can't measure it, you can't improve it. The way that our community members will measure their improvement will be the topic of another video. But I can tell you right now that we have more than 200 tests ready for you, and community driven because you will be a part of this. By asking questions, answering our polls, doing the tests, texting us, or by doing our swimming camps, you will now have more influence on what type of content we make. Our most active community, in fact, is on the Discord app. I'll leave a link in the description. Since I uploaded the first swimming video to this channel, I have learned a lot about swimming and how the body and the mind helped us swim better. Most importantly, I have learned that in order to teach you how to become a better, healthier swimmer, I need to teach you these 7 skills. And it is all because you continue to watch and because you continue to challenge me on what I think I know. I also want to become this new type of swimmer. And even though I haven't swum in more than a year, there's a lot that I have learned and I want to share with you. A lot that I can improve outside and inside the pool. And I'm excited to share this journey with you. Follow me to this video to do a home workout for core strength and shoulder stability, or click here to watch one of our other swimming videos. See you there. Swim fast!